Many of you guys think that mastering art can only be done with practice. But I am about to tell you that preventing other artists' mistakes and learning some tips will help a lot. Tip 1. Painting from light colors to dark colors. The first basic rule of doing watercolor paintings is to paint from light colors to dark colors. It is because in watercolor paintings the white color is from the paper and not the paints. So, due to the transparency of the paints, your light colors won't pop when painted over the dark ones. Tip 2. Visualize the painting. Even if you use a reference for your art, you should know how to visualize it so that you have an expected result, and this will help you to get a comparatively better result. Visualizing your art will help you to imagine a picture in your mind, and soon you will be able to create art without reference. Tip 3. Know your colors. What I mean by knowing the colors is understanding how the painting will look even after it has dried. Because when you add paint to the paper, the color will be more vibrant, but when dried, it will look a bit different. So, the goal is to know how your color will change when dried and use that as a factor to your painting. Tip 4. Consider a limited palette. Some people think that using more colors will give the best result. I would never agree to that statement because I think the key to create a nice looking painting is to connect the colors from top to bottom of the painting. For example, in this painting, after painting the sky, I am not leaving it to dry. Instead, I am adding more water and covering the whole painting with blue color. And later in the video, I am also adding the actual colors for the elements. And for that, I just use the blue, yellow and red colors. So, to connect the elements, you need to use a limited palette. I would recommend you to use the 3 primary colors: yellow, red and blue. Tip 5. Find the temperature. This is the final and most important tip, so hear it out loud. To create a successful painting, you need to know the temperature of the elements in the painting. For example, in this picture of man, the side from which the light hits the man is the high temperature side, and the side that doesn't is called the low temperature. So, if the colors yellow and a bit of red gives the high temperature side of the picture, then adding blue to the mix will give the low temperature side. Keeping these things in mind will be very helpful for your art. I would recommend you to spend more time with your reference, trying to absorb the view, trying to know how it would feel to be in the view in real life. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you felt that these tips were helpful, please support by likes and shares and comment. To see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon near it. Bye.